What happens when Land Rover takes the legendary Defender and turns it into a high-performance super SUV? Meet the 2027 Land Rover Defender Octa, the most powerful, fastest, and most capable Defender ever built. With 626 horsepower, a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds, and an all-new hydraulic suspension system, this isn't just another luxury off-roader. Let's find out what makes the Defender Octa so special. Starting at $160,000, the Defender Octa is powered by a BMW-sourced 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8, producing an impressive 626 horsepower for U.S. models. The result is breathtaking performance. This rugged SUV launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest off-road vehicles Land Rover has ever produced. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The biggest innovation is its hydraulically interlinked air suspension that completely eliminates traditional anti-roll bars. Instead of relying on conventional stabilizer bars, the Octa uses interconnected hydraulic dampers to control body movement. The payoff is remarkable. It corners with surprising confidence and stays incredibly flat, dramatically reducing the head toss that tall, boxy SUVs are known for. For drivers who enjoy adventure, the Defender Octa also introduces a dedicated Octa driving mode, automatically optimizing suspension, steering, and power delivery for high-speed off-road driving. To handle the extra power and punishment, Land Rover has reinforced the transmission cradle and fitted larger drive shafts, ensuring exceptional durability in demanding conditions. Visually, the Defender Octa makes its intentions clear. A gloss black tailgate spoiler, distinctive bronze recovery hooks, and aggressive twin snorkels immediately separate it from the standard Defender. Inside, luxury meets rugged capability. The cabin features an all-contra headliner, premium materials throughout, and a large 13-inch infotainment display with seamless wireless smartphone integration. One of the standout options is the available bass enhanced seats, designed to let occupants actually feel music through subtle vibrations, creating a more immersive driving experience. The overall cabin strikes a balance between premium comfort and genuine off-road practicality, making it equally at home on the highway or deep into the wilderness. There's one important difference depending on where you live. While U.S. buyers receive the full 626 horsepower version, stricter European emissions regulations reduce output to 533 horsepower. Even so, both versions use the exact same 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 architecture. European owners still benefit from the upgraded exhaust manifold, delivering the engine's deeper and more aggressive soundtrack despite the lower power rating. The 2027 Land Rover Defender Octa proves that an iconic off-roader can also deliver supercar-like performance. With cutting-edge suspension technology, a powerful twin-turbo V8, unmistakable styling, and genuine off-road capability, it's the ultimate evolution of the Defender. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments. Would you choose the Defender Octa over other high-performance luxury SUVs? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.